Don't be married to your mortgage rate. Wait, what do you mean, Tanya? Well, sellers, are you constantly asking yourself these questions in today's market? What if I sell now with these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I sell now but then I can't find a replacement home? Will I regret selling so soon or regret not selling soon enough? In a housing market full of twists and turns, these are valid and concerning questions. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty, and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. I think we can all agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for real estate with high mortgage rates and scarce inventory making sellers uncertain about listing their property. But did you know that now can be a perfect time to list your home? If you're a homeowner with a good amount of equity in your home but also carrying debt, now might be the perfect time to sell. Most homeowners have enough equity in their property to pay off high debts like credit cards and car payments and consolidate their bills. So when you go to make the purchase on your replacement property, you may find yourself in a better position than you were with that 3% mortgage rate and high debt. Plus, you can take advantage of the current market with your sale and your purchase because there is less competition from other buyers, meaning that you can still get a fair price for your home and probably even better price for your replacement property. Don't let being married to your rate prevent you from getting that ultimate dream home. Call me, your East Bay expert, and let's just talk about it. I'd love to help you put together a comprehensive home sale marketing plan for you to get the best possible return on your investment. And ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum, pick your plan, and pick your price. I'm Tanya and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.